Good afternoon, angels. I am here with another outfit of the day. Top from Abercrombie, pants from Abercrombie, shoes from Banana Republic, purse is from the thrift, and then cute little sunnies from like a little flea market shop. Yeah, so I just feel really cute today. Cute little earrings from Target, a watch from like a family gift, and I am feeling it today. Okay, you guys, I'm looking at the last designs that I have for Abercrombie. These things are so cute, these little sweaters. It's always so amazing, and it makes you so proud to when you can like see your work in stores and everything. Like to see the stuff that I worked on, it just makes me feel so good. Like, look at my little sweater. And then look at this one, it's so cute, guys. You guys, I had to come and look at my last few designs. They're so cute. It just feels so accomplishing when you know that you like actually made something and it came into stores and everything. It's just really nice to see. Let's do a little grocery shopping today. Hey guys, we made it to Detroit. We're about to go get dinner. Whew. We walked into one place, but it wasn't really the vibe we're looking for, so we're going to another location. See you.
Said I had to clear up my head, but tonight I think I lost the plot instead. I said that I'd be cleared up by 3. Till the rules, I know they listen to me. The teacher's always cool.
Guys, this place is so cute. I have to go deeper in. It's so cute.
And I know they can't understand when they all cope with everything. Then I open my heart and front of my friends finally. It was not what I thought, cause they're not there anymore. I called my dad, he told me there's no room for me down at the house that we had when we were living as a 3. Now that my family's gone, I'm just as far as I can see. I didn't love me, I'm sure, but they're not there anymore.
Guys, this is so cute. And the speakeasy is like back here. It's called the Evening Bar. This drink is so good. Let's rise. So guys, we just went to the speakeasy. It was really cute. Rye looks so cute tonight. I gotta show you guys her outfit. Look at her fit. So cute. You guys, there's a game today. We didn't even realize. Looks like a little grilled cheese place. You guys, Detroit is so cute. There are a lot of cute, like little kitschy places here. We look cute. What are you talking about? Oh, Rye. This is Rye, guys. She's trying to exit the vlog. But there are a lot of cute, kitschy places here. And it's kind of like hipster vibes. You say what? Coffee and pastries. And now we're gonna get breakfast. You guys, look what we got from the bakery. It's their little lounge. You guys, I'm so excited. I know. You guys, I'm so excited to eat brunch. I'm so hungry. This place is so cute. Brick wall. It's just such a vibe. Hi guys, I'm here with the fam. We're out here in, I think we're in Kentucky now. We're going on a little boat ride, like a dinner boat ride. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're going with the family. Just want to show you guys. So cute. You guys, we're on the boat. There's Karan, that's my brother. That's my mom. That's my stepdad. It's beautiful.